Welcome back. I'm Madhavan. So now I'm here to explaining you the explain number seven for web technology. So here is we are going to use the jQuery. So to create the web pages using various timer functions, events, and objects in jQuery. So what are the elements we are using here is like append off, prepend off, after off, before off. So for these are all to add the elements, and to remove the elements, remove off and empty off. For traversing, you also have div. You can see here the div tags, the UL tags, the left the li tags, the span tags. So these tags is represents basically the parents and the siblings. It's like a decision trees. We had studied as earlier in the DAE, in the decision tree there will be a parent child, and there'll be a siblings and the parent and the child too. So likewise here, the traversing is also represents like a tree like structure which have a parent and also has uh, the child and the siblings. So the div tag is element is a parent, and the ancestor of everything said is UL tag. So the UL tag is parent of both li and a child of divide tag. Okay, so by using these tags we are going to use some to create a car. So let us see some jQuery effects. So here we have like animate off, clear queue off, and delay off, and dequeue off, and fade in, fade out, fade to, whatever. This all like the animation tags, so which are all used in the jQuery format. And to implement these all things, we are going to make a program of car moving animation using jQuery. So here is the code which we have used by using these tags and these methods. By these formats in jQuery, I'm using this code to program uh, to get this output like moving a car. So here you can see whether a car is moving or not. So this is the first question, and the second question coming to the second is to create a dynamic registration form and display in the same page using jQuery. So like using the DOM elements, we are like get element and set element to set the values to the form, and dynamically to be able to add the buttons and remove the buttons, and using the traversion function to display the dynamically generated value in a result display portion. So coming to the program, so here this is a very small program which I have used it, as I have earlier told that the div tag and the button, whatever the necessaries we have using here is displayed in the up, which is in the description. So here, for example, there is a registration form which I'm creating is like name, registration number, and which is like we can give our name and which is our registration number. And I'm giving two text boxes, which is a button, which is append text and remove text. So the append element, which I have earlier told that it will be like add element, and to remove it will be removing that. Okay, so coming to the third question. So create a car body you workshop using a jQuery, wherein you should be able to change the color of the car, glass tint, and the size of the tires. Okay, so these are the program we have to change the color of the car, right? So for example, trapezoid CSS, it is one of the named car which I have implemented here. So I have to give a color to change the color. I will do. Okay, so let me show you some. So here is the program which I have click here as like, wait a minute, I'll be showing this. One of the things which I have implemented in this program to change the color of the core is, it's here, is using jQuery. Oh my god, what's happening? Yeah, so trapezoid is a size, and we have the border, bottom, and the left, and the right, and the height, and the width. So this all should be like transparent, right? So I'm giving this meta name, which is, it is not necessary, but however I can give this. So So like here is the div class is equal to rectangle, and the rectangle which I have used for the car body part, and the circle is for the car tires, and it is a trapezoid like shape, and I'm using the format as dot circle and dot rectangle. Okay. So to style this, to change the car size and the color, I am using here is that background color is like setting a RGB value, and I'm also giving like a particular color which is like aquamarine. So that's it. This is the output of this program. So hence this all the three programs have been executed successfully, and I have uploaded in GitHub, and it is easy to show in this format. Then you can easy to understand. That's why I'm showing in this format. So thank you for listening, and thank you.